Okay, shit. This is soft as fuck on both sides. Um, so this looks like stem rot. I'm gonna be honest. It's squishy. It's very squishy. Look at that. I mean, these roots look bad. Like, look at that. I mean, they soaked the paper towel is the problem. This paper towel, watch this. Want to know what's wrong with this? Look at this. Now, you're supposed to send it out like this, with this being that moist. You cannot drench your paper towel and wrap up your plants because this is what happens. Look at that. So, I don't even want to replant that. I'm going to contact the seller, see what they have to say. But yeah, to be continued, I guess.